My name is Ciaran Kelly and I'm here to pick up my Twisted Defender. It might look like a new car, but it's actually a car which I've had for the previous 3 years, and it's a 2012 Defender, which has driven actually quite a few miles, and it's something which I cherish quite a lot, and it's been a part of me for the last years. And I brought it to Twisted to give it a lifetime overhaul, so I actually can keep it for, which I hope, the rest of my life, and that's the reason why I'm here. For me, I think starting from day one, working with the team, Rob and Jonny, and seeing what their passion for the car, I was just blown away about what we could do in terms of the development of it. I had an idea of what the car would look like, the colour. We had different talks back and forward, but seeing what they've put in and what these guys, how passionate, craftsmanship, dedication they've got, I've just been blown away by the end result, that it's absolutely beyond everything I could ever expect.
So my name is Jonathan. I'm a senior technician here at Twisted Automotive. Yeah, the car came to us as a second-hand used vehicle, as it would be, from Ciaran. He'd had the car quite a few years. The car was not in the best of conditions when it came to us. It was quite dented and it had just been used. It also had one or two other small issues with it, which Ciaran wanted us to rectify. And then started the build from there, really. We talked about what he wanted and how he wanted the vehicle to look. And we sort of picked the colour then, and the wheels and the sizes and what interior he wanted. So the car finally came to us. We did a full ramp inspection on the vehicle, checked everything over, down to every tiny nut and bolt. Then we can hand that back to the customer and get his expectations and what he wants doing and what he doesn't want doing, and again build that relationship with him to make sure that we get the car that he really wanted.
And I think that's what's a testament to the Twisted team, is that they really focus on everything, attention to detail, and just the back and forward dialogue that we've been having weekly through the whole production. Wow, these guys, they love Twisted. They love Defender just as much as we all love Defender as well, and that you can really see. And that they don't cut corners, they go full in and make sure that the car is just the way it should be, made better.
We would make sure that Ciaran was involved in the whole process, even though he wasn't with us at the time. We just wanted him to feel that he was a part of this. Again, when we got the vehicle back together, you know, it's such a great feeling to watch them come back together and really start to look like a car again from the chassis. And again, a lot of time then goes into the smaller details of the build, and a lot of the build is what customers don't really see. So again, Ciaran was kept up to date with regular photos of the ceiling of the vehicle, how the suspension was fitted, also then how we did the carpeting inside and the soundproofing. And Ciaran's car had cables everywhere inside it, and we took all them cables out and got rid of them, put the vehicle back together, and it's just a beautiful looking car.
When I drive off in this Defender today, I think I'm just happy to sit in it. That's the first thing. I'm gonna enjoy every kilometre back to across into Europe with it, and take the time to get to know it. And I think every day when you come out and open the door and see it's out there, you can see the smile on my face. I think it's going to be even bigger, and it'll be the same every day. Is that there's a story. It's an iconic car, and to actually look at it and see how iconic it is, and keep that for the future, that's really mission accomplished, I can say, with this.